This is not from a game. It's a monster concept we created for a horror game in under an hour by using Layer. Let's take a look at how we did it. Our main goal was to create an art style that stays consistent, so the monster actually feels like it belongs in the game world. To do that, we started by creating a few sample environments in the style we wanted. First, we generated some interior environments while guiding Layer toward the art direction we had in mind. We wanted this project to feel like a horror game set inside a house. Once we got a few results we were happy with, we used them as concept images to train a new style. Training a style in Layer really helps with consistency, because you can use that same style later when creating new images. Layer automatically fills in the descriptions for each image, but we added a few extra details at the beginning of each description, so the style has more specific information to learn from. Now it's time to create our first real environment, the interior of the house. Using our custom horror game style, we're going to generate a hallway with dim lighting and rooms on both sides. Keep it creepy. We got a bunch of results, but we're going to pick this one that looks straight into a room. However, it felt a bit too dark, so we used Prompt Edit to add some candles in the hallway and the rooms to brighten it up slightly. This feels much better. Next, we move on to creating the monster. For this design, we already had a rough idea, a humanoid silhouette, so it doesn't look like a completely different creature. Long teeth and glowing red eyes. This version looks really cool, but we felt it could look even better with some horns, so we added those. We made a few more adjustments, added blood to the fingers, and changed the lighting to match a darker environment. Now let's place the monster into the environment. The darker atmosphere fits really well and makes the monster feel right at home. Let's turn this into a video and see how it looks. Yeah, that's almost too creepy. Let's put this character in a different environment. First, we'll create a new scene using the same style. A kitchen where the monster hides on the upper floor. We'll design the kitchen and add some stairs so the monster can creep down. Then we'll use Prompt Edit to place the monster on the stairs, moving downward. So that's how we created a monster and a creepy house for our horror theme. Now the most important part, we want to challenge you and see what you can create. Share your creations with us on our Discord server and on X. We're building a community spotlight for our next video where we'll showcase some of the coolest creations. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.